That's right. We're on the official countdown for Black Friday. Do you want to make a ton of money this year? In the election year with the ad costs through the roof? If so, you're going to have to rely on the good old emails. So, this is a last call video, as you probably already understood. So, we're not going to be covering everything you should have done already for the Black Friday. We're going to be covering what we still can do and how to get the most out of it. If you're one of those people that leave stuff just for the last hour, I'm here to save you. Just stay tuned. We're going to go over everything you need to know so you can just change your strategy today and print cash this Black Friday. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, 3 email pillars. 1, your audience, so the segments we'll be using. 2, campaigns and also the selling volume of those campaigns. And 3, the offers we're using for these campaigns. Here you have some quick links to my socials on Instagram. I'll post several times a week to help you grow your business and scale your email revenue. I'm going to be more active on Twitter from now on. And also, if you want to check out our website, please do so and feel free to book a call with us. Now let's start with our audience, our segments. So the usual segments throughout the year are engaged 90, so people who engaged with your emails, meaning people who opened the emails or people who clicked the emails in the last 90 days. Maximum you can go up to engaged 120, so people who engage with your emails within the last 120 days. So for Black Friday, obviously, is a great event for the e-commerce space. So we wanna expand as much as we can our addressable audience. But that comes with a cost that will hurt our deliverability. So we need to keep our hands in this matter throughout this event. Let's start with what not to do. What you don't want to do is throughout the year use an engaged segment like engaged 90, so people who engage with your emails in the last 90 days. And then once you arrive at Black Friday and Cyber Monday, you just blast your entire list. That is what you don't want to do. It will hurt your deliverability really, really bad. What you want to do instead is throughout the year use an engaged segment like engage 90, and before Black Friday, Cyber Monday, you want to do re-engagement campaigns. To do these re-engagement campaigns, before you need to create unengaged segments. So you need to create a segment, for example, of people that didn't engage with your emails in the last 90 days, but engaged with your emails in the last 180 days. The point here is really to expand our current engaged list. So what we're trying to do here is expand our email list by trying to reach out to people that engage with our emails a time ago but are not engaging anymore. So by doing this, once again, we expand our engaged list and also we ramp up our volume. Ramp up our volume because we're sending to our usual segments, meaning the engaged 90, for example, and we also add that unengaged segment that we just created. So we're expanding our list, we're warming up those prospects that didn't heard from us in a long time, and we're ramping up our volume to make sure that our deliverability will not be hurt. And then in Black Friday, what you want to do, if you have good deliverability and you're willing to take the risk, you can blast the entire list, assuming that you have a clean list. If you have bad deliverability, I would advise you to stick with the engaged segment that we just expanded. Now, in terms of campaigns, we're going to stick with 3 campaigns. We need to do an early access, a Black Friday, and a Cyber Monday campaign. And in terms of sending volume, we're going from Black Friday -7, meaning 7 days prior to Black Friday, to Cyber Monday +2, meaning 2 days after Cyber Monday. And what we're going to be sending is 1 or 2 emails per day. So we're going to be emailing our segments every day and sometimes more than once per day. Now the campaign timeline. We're going to start at Black Friday -7 with the early access hype, where we're going to send one email informing our segments, our prospects, that we're going to have an early access sale. Then Black Friday -5, we're going to release our early access sale by sending one email, and we're going to send one email per day until Black Friday -3. Then we have the end of our sale 3 days before Black Friday, and we're going to send two emails that day, one announcing the sale is ending and another one just resending the same email to the non-openers 8 hours later. Then we have our Black Friday hype, Black Friday -2 and Black Friday -1, just one email trying to build FOMO, build urgency, and giving a hint of the offer that we're releasing on Black Friday. Then we have the big day, the day we're all looking for, Black Friday sale. We're going to be sending two emails, one announcing the sale and another one, once again, we're sending to non-openers 8 hours later. Black Friday +1, same thing, two emails, sale and resend. Black Friday +2, now we're doing two emails, this time announcing that our sale is ending, and another one, once again, just resending for non-openers. Cyber Monday, we're pretty much doing the same stuff we did for the Black Friday, only a couple of differences. We're not going to be announcing our Cyber Monday, first because here in the prior day we already sending two emails, so I don't think it would be that valuable to send another email just to announce the Cyber Monday sale. And also because probably the best deal people can get is on Black Friday, therefore we're going to be announcing a smaller deal, so I don't think there's a big purpose on that. So Cyber Monday, two emails, sale plus resend. Cyber Monday +1, same thing. And then Cyber Monday +2, again, two emails, this time announcing that the sale is ending and resending to the non-openers. And then to finish, as I said, this would be a quick one. If you have these things in place, you're already good to go. So just focus on this one, on this last one, and go implement. So what you want to do when it comes to offers, and the main thing I want you to retain from this video, is change your offer. We have 3 campaigns, so we need 3 different offers. We're not going to spam people with the same offer. If you want to take the most out of each campaign, out of each sale, you want to make it different every time. So, for example, a big thing for the early access sale, considering that our early access sale would not be as great as the Black Friday sale, why would people shop before Black Friday or Cyber Monday? We have to give them a reason, and this time the reason would be to avoid all the chaos of Black Friday, avoid sold out products. Nobody likes to have an eye on a product and then when they check it, it's sold out. And then we also want to avoid shipping problems, shipping delays. Nobody likes those, so we want to give these as reasons for people to shop before the Black Friday. Let's just see some examples of what we could present our customers as an offer. We have a simple percentage off site-wide, so it is less confusing and is faster for your customers just to grab what they want and shop. We also have a up to percentage off. This one is easier for you in terms of managing the percentage, the discount that you're going to apply on some products and on some other products, just because of stuff like margin. But it actually requires some more search from your customer. They'll have to hop on your site and then search for some items, see what the discounts are. And I don't mean this is bad, okay? It depends on your case, it depends on your products, it depends on your store. We also have the classic buy one, get one free. And then other than that, we also have the tiered products. For example, if people spend $100, we give them 10% off. If they spend $200, we give them 20% off. I could also include stuff like bundle sales, for example. But I think these ones are the main ones for you to be using on this day. And other than that, I think we covered everything we needed to cover. So we covered our audience, the people who are going to receive our emails. We cover the campaigns and the sending volume, and we also cover the offers. So just before you go, let me just show you here real quick. If you want to add 50K to the $150K to your MRR in the next 60 days, I would like to offer you a free audit of your Klaviyo account. I have a video here explaining everything. But bottom line is, worst case scenario, you'll get a complete roadmap for your team to execute on and get these results by yourself. So feel free to just book a call here, and we would love to help you out and give you a free audit. Other than that, we're done for today. So go implement on these and have a great Black Friday. See you in the next one.